finally back with a long set of nails. So this is Louise. She is my long client, die-hard long client. She will never go short. So I'm just dehydrating her nails and then popping on her clear layer. So I've used Pro Impressions natural competition tips. I do prefer to use a natural tip over a clear tip, just because when a client has white, I feel like it complements it a lot more. I feel like it looks just really much nicer underneath. And if you do tend to overfile a little bit, then you know you've always got that backup of the natural tip rather than the clear. So yeah, these are the Pro Impressions ones. Like I say, Advanced Competition Natural, I think is the full title. Don't forget, code Sonia10 will get you 10% off. So go save yourself that money. So I'm just popping on her clear layer now. I do this with all my clients, as I've said previously in videos, when I'm doing acrylic design, because then when she comes back in 3 to 4 weeks time for a redesign, then I can just quite simply whiz it straight down and put a brand new set over the top. So then we're going to go in and build a nail bed on her ring finger. So I'm not really sure what I'm using here. You'd think I'd be more prepared by now doing this. I think it might be CJP Slush Fairy. Yeah, looking at it, there's defo shimmer in there. So yeah, that'll be Slush Fairy. So I'm just bringing that down, and then I'm going to use the belly of my brush just to pat and push that up exactly where I need it. And then we're just sweeping the very edge of that round. As I always say, I'm just trying to do as much work as I can now and get my product as nice and smooth as I want it, because then I know I haven't got as much filing to do. And then we're going to move on to the middle finger. So this one is just a full colour nail. I'm just painting with this colour as well, I'm not building with it. I generally would build, but I didn't have much of the colours left, so I thought I'm going to make it last. Trying to work smarter, not harder. So I'm just start bringing that down and just working nice and thin with it. Super pigmented, this colour is absolutely stunning. Just going to place another bead on at that blend it up, and then flip my brush and then bring it down. And then just pop a tiny bit more on that tip area. So just looking at my uploads before I started voiceover in this one, and I was like, oh my god, it's been 2 weeks. But I have got probably about 7 videos what are like half edited, 3/4 edited, not even started edited to upload, so I will work my way through them and get them up, I swear. So then we're just going on with the index finger. This is another pink colour. Really nice, and I think it complements that other one quite nice too. So again, same process, just popping it on at the cuticle area and just working it down and making sure that I've covered everywhere and got no sheer bits. So I think I've said this previously in quite a few of my videos as well, like all my clients are going short and natural. Like, I know I can't say anything because all I wear is short square nudes, but it's driving me insane. Like, I feel like I'm doing the same nails over and over again and I'm literally getting no content. Which I know it's not all about the content, and I know that it's about paying the bills, but I get more interaction from you guys and I like speaking to you guys. Do you get what I'm saying? So I don't know, I'm just missing getting that content and having a good relationship with everybody on my socials, because how many times can you say, that's a nice nude? Do you know what I mean? It's getting a little bit repetitive. So fingers crossed, with spring coming and summer coming, everyone's going to get happy and bright again. I'm not counting on it, but I am praying. Sending it out there to the universe, do you know what I mean? Just manifesting it. And how stunning is this glitter, by the way? Oh my god. So I'm just doing a full glitter nail on the little finger. You've seen me do this probably a gazillion times before. I just think it complements them perfectly because it's got like both pinky shades in there. So I do love, love, love this one. This is one of my favourite sets I've done in a while. And I always find that the more simple sets I tend to love. Like, I think I said this in my previous video, but like just a simple glitter, maybe one nail bed, couple of plain colours, just perfection. Absolutely love it. And I love the glitter that much that I decided to do it again on the thumb. But I have sped it up a little bit because, again, it's just the same process that you've seen me do loads of times before. So you can see I am picking up quite a fair amount of glitter there, really. And believe it or not, I am doing like slow, small tapping movements, you know, just to bring it down. I'm not pulling the products, then I'm just going to pull it off, and nobody wants that. So as fast as it looks, and probably the fact that it is giving you motion sickness right now is nothing to do with the pace that I'm working. That is just sped up. But it would be nice if I could work at that pace. That would help massively. Just a little bit more in that cuticle area. And then I'm going in with a fresh file, as always, on that smile line to get it really nice and sharp and popping, because that is exactly what we want. Just always keep my file on that nice flat angle as well. Oh, sorry about that, that's my TikTok in the background. I got a notification, clicked on it and forgot that it just automatically plays. So once that's nice and flush, I'm going to go in with my white and then push that right up into the wings, and then same again on the opposite side. I'm so ready as well for the warmer weather, so my acrylics just a little bit easier to use. My god, because I'm working in my home studio again. It is literally a summer house in my garden, but like the temperature control in there is a nightmare. Like it is either -40 or +40, like there is no in between. It's driving me mad. So hopefully it does start to warm up and I've not got to have 14 different heaters on at once. So you can see that my white's not sticking to my brush either. That's because I've left my product a little while just to set and just to settle in, and then I actually start using the product, so then it's not sticky. I know a lot of people hate using white because of that reason. So then we're going to go ahead and cap this glitter in now. So holding my client's nail down, you know the drill, let gravity do its thing, tease it into the cuticle area and sidewall, start stroking down, copy on the other side, tease it into sidewall, cuticle area, and then just start bringing that product down. Make sure everywhere's covered, nice and matte, scoop off the excess. A little titivation on the end, and as if by magic, it's done. So then I have placed some, well obviously filed these in, and then I've put some Swarovski crystals as well on the ring finger. I always apply my Swarovski crystals to a finish filed nail before top coat, just using my Pro Impressions glue, my tip glue again. Sonia 10 will get you 10% off, don't forget that. And then I top coat around them. Obviously I don't top coat over them because it will dull them, but I just top coat around, and then if I ever struggle, there we go, get my detailer brush, small amount of product, and just get it right around those crystals, make sure they're nice and stuck in. And I'd probably say I maybe, like my clients maybe lose, to be fair, probably not even one crystal, but if they do, it is generally just a tiny one from the edge. I'd probably say that happens to maybe 1 in 10 clients, like it's no biggie, but that is definitely my best way, the best way I've found to apply them. So carrying on top coating this full set in, using my Superior Shine top coat, again, Pro Impressions, you know the code, you guessed it, I'm not going to say it again. I will say again though that I don't get any payment or anything from that code. That is literally just for you, from Pro Impressions to you. So please don't think I'm plugging it for selfish reasons. I'm not. It's all yours. So I'm going to pop this into the lamp to cure. I always cure for 60 seconds and finish with my favourite cuticle oil. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and tune in to the next one.